Hi everyone, if you're new here, I'm Alan with Earthglow Inc. and this channel is all about sharing the joy of candle making. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make reed diffusers, and reed diffusers are a really great option to have in your candle line, just to have something different, and also some people who just don't like candles are often interested in reed diffusers. They just make a really great complement, as well as for some people who can't burn candles for whatever reason. So anyways, if this is something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. So my favorite base to use is going to be, let's see if we're in focus here, this reed diffuser base by Candle Science. The other one that I love using is by Nature's Garden, and these do perform pretty similarly. So I probably recommend the Nature's Garden over the Candle Science just because it is a lot cheaper. But anyways, all you're going to need to do is take your measuring unit and then just tear out your scale here. So I'm using this container from Candle Science, and this will hold 4 ounces of liquid. So all I'm gonna do is measure out 3 ounces of my reed diffuser base. Hopefully I have enough here. Yes, just enough. And then I'm gonna measure out 1 ounce of my fragrance. So for this one, I'm gonna be using High Tide by Candle Science. And so what we're in effect doing is a 25% fragrance load and a 75% base. And this is usually what I will use for my reed diffusers. Now, there has been an amendment, an IFRA amendment. I'm gonna take this off the scale here, but basically as I'm talking to you, I'm just kind of mixing this for about half a minute or so, but it's not like making candles where I time it super strictly. But anyways, there has been an IFRA amendment where a lot of the fragrances don't allow you to use as much in reed diffusers as they used to. So it is really important to purchase your fragrances that you use if you're making commercial reed diffusers from a company that is in compliance with the most up-to-date IFRA standards of that. I think it's the 49th Amendment. So Candle Science is the one that I would recommend for that, because on their website you can easily scroll through and see what percentage of each fragrance that you can put in your reed diffusers to be in compliance. So all I'm going to do now is just pour this into my vessel right here. And I'm working with a new camera, so hopefully I'm going to get better at this. I do apologize if it's not the best quality of video, but basically just pouring this in. And then once you finish this, we're just going to add in our reeds. I'm gonna just be using the reeds, just so you can see here, from Candle Science, and I do like their black reeds, and I do also purchase these collars for my jars just because I think that it looks nice to have this collar on here. It just adds a little bit of kind of dressiness to it. So for some reason my video didn't record with audio, but here I'm just showing the reeds that I use from Candle Science. And typically I will use between 6 and 7 reeds, sometimes 8. But anyways, you can just put them in and kind of bounce them around. And I'm just, I guess, showing what that looks like. And then I actually flip them right away usually. So that way I get a really nice scent throw right away. And that is the final product. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.